Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to reset your T-Mobile network if you're facing signal issues, dropped calls, or slow data. I'll show you simple ways to reset the network and get your connection back to normal. Now, let's tackle the problem. Method 1, restart your phone. The easiest first step is to turn your phone off and back on. Restarting can fix temporary network glitches and reestablish a connection to T-Mobile towers. Method 2, toggle airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to disconnect and reconnect to the network. Sometimes this quick trick alone restores signal without any other changes. Method 3, reset network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth for Android, or Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings for iPhone. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings and often fixes persistent network issues. Method 4, manually select T-Mobile network. Go to Settings, Mobile Network, Network Operators, Search Networks. Select T-Mobile manually to reconnect to the correct tower. Method 5, update carrier settings. Check for carrier settings updates. On iPhone, Settings, General, About. On Android, usually under Settings, About Phone, Software Update. Updating ensures your phone has the latest network configurations from T-Mobile. And that's it. Your T-Mobile network should now be refreshed and working properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile fixes.